If Cookie Monster had a favorite month of the year, it would likely be October. Why do you say?
Yeah.
Well, it's National Cookie Month.
That makes sense. What goes great with cookies? What goes great with everything? Ice cream. Hudsonville Ice Cream. Come out with a limited edition flavor that brings the cookie and the cream together. You got cinnamon, sugar, cookie flavored ice cream. Here with the tasty details, Lauren. She's the owner and blogger at Lakeshore Lady. Hello, Lauren.
Morning.
Good morning. Thanks so much for having me.
Absolutely. Well, I mean, Todd is an ice cream junkie, and we both love cookies. So, I mean, let's just put that out there right now. So this is pretty exciting. Now, you get a chance to work with Hudsonville Ice Cream on this new flavor, right?
Yes, I got to test it before anybody else, and let me tell you, it is just as good as you're imagining it. It's so tasty, and today we're pretty much combining our love of cookies, our love of ice cream, and our love of cake all into one recipe.
Okay, sign me up. I like everything she just said.
Folks, yes.
Everything she just said. So, Lauren, tell us exactly what type of ice cream this cinnamon sugar is. It in vanilla? What kind of ice cream combo do we have going on here?
It's a brown sugar ice cream, and it has a caramel swirl and then chunks of cinnamon cookies within it. It's absolutely incredible.
Yeah, everything you just said. I'm like, brown sugar ice cream? Yes. Hello. All right. So
yep, exactly.
And you said you have a recipe for us.
I do. So cinnamon and apples are just a match made in heaven to me. And everybody's been, one of the best socially distanced activities right now is going apple picking. So you can bring all of your apples back home and make a mug cake with it. So you're just going to take 1/3 cup of apples and add it right to your mug. You want to make sure that they're nice and small so that they can cook in the microwave. And then you're going to add pumpkin pie spice and flour right to that, along with just a 1/2 teaspoon of maple syrup. And you're going to stir that together right in your mug. Get that all nice and stirred, and then pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds to soften those apples. Because we're on TV, a little bit of movie magic here. These are already softened. I'll come closer to the camera here. They're really nice and juicy. And then you're going to add my secret ingredient, which is the amazing Hudsonville ice cream. I've softened it already, but if you don't have time to soften it beforehand, you can pop this in the microwave again for about 5 seconds. And you just want to mix it in with those warm apples to make a nice, creamy start to your batter.
Yeah, what kind of consistency are we looking for then? When we're melting our ice cream, then what consistency are we looking for? Are we looking for something that can pour?
Yes, something that's because you're not taking it out of the mug. So normally I would just pop it right in the mug with the warm apples, stir it up, and those warm apples will melt it on its own. And you just want to create almost like a cream around the apples, and that's just the start to your batter.
Got it.
So then from there, you're just going to add flour, some more pumpkin pie spice, and when I say pumpkin pie spice, you can always add just cinnamon. I just love all the extra in there. And then a little bit of baking powder. And you're just going to add that right into your mug. There's no need for separate bowls. Just go ahead and add it right in. This is great for anybody who's intimidated by baking because everything lives right in here. So it's very easy. And then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of milk and then just a little bit more maple syrup because who doesn't love maple syrup? Add that in there. And then just going to stir that all together right in your mug. Just takes a few stirs, make sure that everything's incorporated, and it comes together, it looks like a cake batter. So then that's in there, and you're gonna pop it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. I'm not gonna make you wait that long, I have one prepped. Get is this warm, gooey cake right inside your mug. And of course, you then have to take this magic stuff again and put it on top for a little a la mode. And especially with all of the chunks and everything, plop that right on top. And then you have the best cozy treat for a movie night at home, or you could even do this for dinner parties and have everybody add their own toppings. There's so many different ways to make this
Only
your
one
one as
thing
well.
left to do. That's pass it through the television, please.
Yeah,
Just
pass it on over here.
Here you go.
Thank you.
I need to eat that. Give me
Oh,
a
that looks
spoon.
delicious.
Thanks, Lauren.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much. You can get the recipe on lakeshorelady.com, and Hudsonville also has a scoop locator on their website. So you can just plug your zip code in and find where you can locate this particular ice cream near you.
We'll do that. Thanks so much.